let's talk about greens for a second. So sometimes in my recipes I call for 1 bunch of spinach. Sometimes instead of that 1 bunch I use loose leaf baby spinach. Loose leaf baby spinach comes in bulk and is sold by the pound. 1 bunch of spinach, remember the biggest bunch that you can find, is roughly half a pound of baby greens. So if I say 1 bunch of spinach, feel free to use about half a pound of baby greens in your smoothie. Yes, I know that seems like a lot of greens. But that's the whole point. That's what makes every 32-ounce jar of green smoothie packed with vitamins, micronutrients, minerals, everything under the sun that's good for you. And that's what's going to make this green smoothie challenge work. So you are just literally cramming your diet with good stuff. And on that note, let's hop right in and make day 3 smoothie. As always, our greens go in first. We are going to chop up our pear while leaving the seeds intact. Boom. Generally, when a recipe calls for cherries, I use frozen cherries because they're already pitted. Half a banana. You might notice that all of my bananas are very ripe. That's when they're most nutritious. And 1 pint of water. Now we blend. And by now you know my most important rule of all times. That is, yes, taste your smoothie first. Make sure it tastes delicious. And it does. So this is day 3. Wow, that's like a party in your mouth. That's delicious. Cheers.